Life is a marshmallow game. Have you heard of the marshmallow game where
Oh yeah,
they
the
put a
young kids.
they put a
Just
4-year-old in front of a marshmallow and
yeah,
they say, hey, if you don't eat this marshmallow, I'm going to come back in this room in 5 minutes. I'm going to give you two marshmallows. But if you eat it now, you're only going to get one. And you see, what percentage of kids can actually like delay gratification and hold
right.
off on what they want that very moment in order to get something that they want 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 4 years from now. And a career is no different. Like you have to work hard, you have to grind, you have to do things that you don't want to do so that 2, 3, 5, 10 years down the road, you can do what you want to do and you
Sure.
can spend your time playing golf and you can spend your time doing what you want to do. But yeah, it's about looking at the market unemotionally and seeing who you can help. And
Right.
money is nothing more than an exchange of value that you're adding value to people's lives in a way that they're going to give you money and there's going to be excess money. There's going to be excess money. Every party has to win. Your employee has to win, the customer has to win, and you as a business owner have to win if you're doing business well. It's a win-win-win-win
I
scenario
love
where
that.
your employee is working, they're earning 15, 20, $50 an hour to work for you, and they're happy about that. That's a win for them. They're doing it out of choice. Your customer's paying you $100, $200, $300 for whatever you're giving them. And you as a business owner get surplus because you're adding more value to the world than you're taking. So if you look at the world unselfishly and say, hey, these are all the different things that I could potentially do to add value, I'm going to do one of these instead of doing what I want to do. It's not about me. It's about them. It's about who I'm going to serve.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.